everyone. Today I am talking about something important that has been bothering all of us for such a long time. That उसने ये कहा, उसने वो कहा, right? The biggest mistake we all make is forgetting about ourselves. We manage to caught up in all the drama, politics and nonsense of life that we forget where our true focus should actually be. Are you who people think you are? Or do you let them see only a person carefully crafted for likability? Fear of social judgment wears many masks: shame, shyness, prudence, perfectionism, whatever from its come in. Its impact is to limit, to constrain, and to constrict people who fear social judgment. Across the room, they see what could be the person of their dreams, but they don't approach because of what a room full of strangers might think if they are rejected. And by caring what these strangers think, they are allowing people they'll never see again to control their behavior. Fear of social judgment also make people think small. Accomplishing anything big is going among some people who will try to deter you. Why are we so concerned about what others think of us? Guys, those people don't even matter in our life. Let's only do what you want to do. When you stop trying to impress others, you can express your true self more fully and connect with people more genuinely and openly. The less time and energy you spend on image management, on making your life presentable to others, the more time you can spend on things that really matters. So be authentic. Have the courage to allow people to see the real you. Be willing to be judged and even encourage it. It's good for your self-knowledge and for developing thick skin. As you become and express your best self, others will think great things about you. And that if you don't want matter anyway, let them think. So, care what the important people in your life think, but only those whose opinions you value the most. Strangers should not get vote in your life and how you live your life. So, let them think what they want to think. Just live your life to the fullest. Thank you.